In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you access analytics in Google Drive. You can access analytics in Google Drive by viewing the active dashboard for individual files or folder, which shows the details and history of changes. For a broader website or app analytic, you will need to use a separate Google Analytics platform, which can access through the main Google Analytics website. Open up your Google Drive first of all, and then you just need to go ahead and select the file or a folder that you want to analyze. You just have to go ahead and click the info section or the three dot icon or an eye icon in the top right corner of the screen. And when you do this, click on the info icon once again, or you just need to tap on the three dot icon, and then you want to go ahead and click on view information. So here you should be able to find show more activity at the bottom, and this is how you could access analytics in Google Drive. And as I already mentioned, you could also use a separate Google Analytics platform for other files or documents as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next